Iron and salt. There are few tools as old, as humble, and as powerful in supernatural defense as iron and salt. Neither requires an elaborate ritual, yet both have been trusted for millennia to guard against what lurks beyond the veil. The weight of iron. Iron has been called the blood of the earth. In folklore across Europe, it was the bane of spirits, fae, and wandering dead. The blacksmith was revered not only for forging weapons, but for shaping iron into protective charms. Door hinges, nails, and horseshoes were not just practical metalwork. They were wards hammered into daily life. Why iron? Because it is disruptive. In its raw state, it is dense with the memory of Earth's depths, and in its worked form, it is imbued with human will, tempered in fire, forged by hand. Many traditions claim supernatural beings cannot cross thresholds bound with iron, for its very presence resists their essence. The purity of salt. If iron is the earth's blood, salt is its tears. Civilizations have valued it not only as food and currency, but as a purifier. In ancient Mesopotamia, salt was sprinkled during offerings to keep malign forces away. In Japanese Shinto rites, salt is cast to cleanse a space of spiritual impurity. In medieval Europe, salt at the table was protection against witches and ill will. Magically, salt is crystalline order, a lattice of purity. It absorbs, neutralizes, and dissolves what is harmful. To scatter it across a threshold is to declare, corruption shall not pass. Iron and salt together. Separately, they defend. Together, they fortify. Many old traditions paired them. An iron nail, driven above a doorframe, and a line of salt below. The threshold becomes both shield and seal. Travelers carried pouches of both when venturing into uncertain lands, for protection against what words could not banish. Even now, many practitioners in the academy combine them in their wards. Salt circles bind and cleanse, while iron anchors and repels. One purges, the other blocks. A simple yet formidable combination. Practical uses in the academy. Salt lines, spread across windowsills and thresholds to deter lesser entities. Iron wards, nails, keys, or rods placed at entryways to anchor protection. Combined circles. Iron filings mixed with salt in a circle create a boundary that few spirits can cross. Carried charms. A pouch containing a nail and salt crystals makes for a traveler's talisman. Closing. Iron and salt remind us that the greatest defenses are often the simplest. They are proof that one does not always need elaborate incantations or rare artifacts. Sometimes, the earth itself has already provided what we need. The wise mage knows how to shape those gifts into shields against the unseen.